Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete your FedEx account. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. And there you can see the option settings. You can tap on that. Now at the bottom, you can see the option log out. If you tap on that, then you will be just logged out of your account. But if you want to delete your account, then there you can see the option request to delete account. You need to tap on that. Now this kind of box will pop up. Complete the request form to delete your account. Now tap on continue. Now here you need to fill down your information in order to request your form. That is your country, first name, last name and your email address. Now again you need to choose your type here. So you need to tap on the one that fits you. Again you need to select your request type. For this video I am going for erase my personal data. Now after filling down your information, there you can see the option select a file. If you want to upload any kind of file, then you can tap on that option and select a file. If not, then you can tap on submit. And now you can see that your request for deleting your account has been submitted. Now a company representative will review your request and reach out to you at the submitted email address. And after that, you will be able to delete your FedEx account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.